मुरगांव तालुक्यात गणतंत्र दीस मनयलो. दाबोळी मतदारसंघाचो आमदार माविन गुदिनो मंत्री आशिल्ल्यान ताका सरकाराच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक ध्वजारोहण करपाचो मान गोंयच्या शिश्टाचार खात्यान दिला. मुरगांवचो शासकीय गणतंत्र कार्यक्रम वास्को खेळा मैदानाचेर जालो. संचालनाची पळोवणी करतकीच मंत्री माविन गुदिनोचे उलोवप जालें. डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरान दिल्ल्या संविधाना प्रमाण आयज आमी खंय पावल्यात हाचो प्रत्येकान विचार करपाची गरज आसा, अशें माविन गुदिनो उलयलो.
Each one of us to ponder how much we have marched ahead, where our nation stands in the community of nations in the world. It is for us to judge how well we have worked under the Constitution given by Baba Saheb Ambedkar, under which we have functioned, whether at the center, whether in the states. We have seen so many successes. We have sometimes faced failures, but as a sum total, led by different governments, led by different prime ministers, led by different chief ministers, have we not been recognized as a progressive nation, as a developed country, as a nation marching forward? First of all, I want to give this credit to each one of you, to each one of the citizen of this state, to each citizen of this country, to make our democracy vibrant, to see that our democracy delivers, our democracy works with true principles as enshrined in the Constitution. I think with the pressure of the people of this country, even though literacy might not have been that high in the Esther years, I can safely say, being the third largest democracy, we have one of the best functional democratic country working, which the whole world appreciates.